In this question, you have to identify the defining characteristic of silicates, that is, the way they differ from all other protozoans in. Option A, using flagella for locomotion. It is incorrect because ciliates do not use flagella for locomotion. Instead, they use cilia, which are small hair-like structures covering their body. Option B, have a contractile vacuole for removing excess water. It is also incorrect because many protozoans, not just ciliates, have a contractile vacuole to help maintain osmotic balance by removing excess water. So, as this feature is common among freshwater protozoans, including amoeba and flagellates, so this is not a distinguishing characteristic. Option C, having two types of nuclei. Now, ciliates are unique among protozoans for having two distinct types of nuclei, a large macronucleus, which controls everyday functions like metabolism, and a small micronucleus, which is involved in reproduction. Hence, this is the correct option. Option D, using pseudopodia for capturing prey. It is also incorrect because ciliates do not use pseudopodia for capturing food. Pseudopodia rather the characteristic feature of organisms like amoeba. Instead, ciliates use cilia to help with feeding and locomotion.